Hey traders, welcome back to FTMO Trading Psychology series. Today we're talking about one of the most misunderstood parts of trading psychology, confidence. Everyone wants to feel confident in their trading, but what does that actually mean? And how do you build it in a way that lasts, even through losing streaks? Confidence is one of the most valuable assets a trader can have. Without it, you hesitate, you second-guess yourself, or you abandon your plan in the heat of the moment. With it, you can stay calm, follow your system, and keep trading consistently. Confidence in trading doesn't come from hoping your next trade will be a winner. Real confidence comes from knowing you can handle whatever the market throws at you, win or lose. Good news for you is that confidence isn't just something you simply have or don't. It's something you can actually build. How do you build that kind of confidence? One of the most powerful ways is through backtesting. When you test your strategy over years of historical data, you can see two things. The first one, that the system actually works, it has an edge. And the second one, that losses and drawdowns are a normal part of the curve. So when you face a losing streak in live trading, you don't panic and think the system is broken. Instead, you can say, this happened in a backtest too, and it's just part of the process. Backtesting gives you evidence, and evidence helps to turn doubt into trust. But confidence doesn't just come from data. It also comes from inside you. Ask yourself, what strengths do I already have that support me as a trader? Maybe you're patient, maybe you're disciplined, maybe you developed some resilience in other areas of life. Those qualities are the foundation of your trading confidence too. When you remind yourself of your strengths, you stop seeing yourself as a beginner who knows nothing and start seeing yourself as someone who already has the tools to grow. Another source of confidence comes from looking back at situations you've already overcome. Think about a time in trading, or even outside of trading, where you faced setbacks but managed to push through. Maybe you recovered from a losing streak. Maybe you stuck to your rules in a tough moment. Maybe you managed to bounce back after failing at something else in life. Those experiences are proof that you can handle difficulty. Every time you remind yourself of them, you strengthen your belief that no matter what happens, you'll figure it out. So, building your trading confidence isn't about waiting for profits to prove you're good enough. It's about testing your system so you know it has an edge. It's about recognizing your inner strength that supports your trading and remembering past challenges you've overcome so you know you can handle setbacks again. Confidence is trust. Trust in your process and trust in yourself. So, here's my challenge for you. Take a moment to reflect and write down 3 things. The evidence you have that your system works, the personal strengths you bring to trading, and a past situation where you overcame some difficulty. You can keep that list by your desk and look at it when insecurities or doubts come. Now let me ask you, what's your biggest trading strength? Share it in the comments and let's inspire each other.